I Come Bearing Drinks. This is her drink. Or is it?
Why I say 0 sugar on there?
It do?
Yup.
Oh, sorry.
I need every calorie and sugar I can get.
Sorry.
Hey y'all! You wore that shirt before in one of these mukbangs.
I don't got no clothes. Could y'all send me some clothes? No, send some clothes.
Send me a cash app so I can do my order my Shein clothes. That's my cart.
Yeah. Yeah, that part.
Let me pull my food out.
Oh, okay. Hold up, hold up. I want to see that.
Mama, let's go to Atlanta so we can get some juicy crab.
This is probably better than juicy crab.
Don't knock it till you try it.
I know. I'm just saying. You stop knocking them like they not.
I need a trash.
Yeah. We do. Ooh. Good. Boom. I think we're gonna have to fix this camera.
It'll be okay.
You're not even in there. I'm just in there.
That's because I'm sitting on the chair.
Well, you need to come over. Your face, your head not even in there. Jesus. Here, you want to sit on a pillow?
It's good. Look,
Oh.
Photoshop my gel out.
No.
What you mean, no?
Oh, you gotta take on stuff. Ooh.
Oh.
Got the eggs. Got the eggs. Oh, okay. We need a thumbnail. Oh, girl. You got
That wasn't me!
that just got stuff everywhere. Oh.
There.
Okay.
It's all right.
We just gonna have to turn this down.
So you, mama, or me?
You. I accidentally got 0. Yeah. But I knew you were Renee Kerr. But I didn't even notice until she said something.
This do not taste like no Cajun corn. This tastes like they trying to compete with juicy crab. Quality crab.
What's this?
She done wasted on the floor.
What? Who? Yeah, that's what you get.
I didn't
You done wasted on the floor.
Still. Whatever. I don't care. You.
I don't even know what it's stuck. This mountain. Get you a thingy so you can get some of this off of here. I don't even know what to start. I've been wanting some crawfish, y'all. I've been wanting some crawfish. Like, it is crawfish season.
She making me want some crawfish.
And y'all heard my baby, he's just trying to vlog a little bit.
Y'all, let me tell you, I'm gonna give y'all a story now. So, me and my son, right, we here. Okay, so whatever. He was in his little bouncer thingy. And I was making a TikTok. And then he started crying. So I came and picked him up out of his bouncer thingy. and I sat down on the couch with him on my like lap, and he was just sitting there. And then I felt he kept on like moving, like kicking his feet everywhere, and it like went all on me. And I'm like, why is your socks wet? Like, you just step in something wet, like, but you can't. You getting water all over it. And then, so then I look at his sock. His sock is green. His whole sock green.
She got my whole floor green.
Yeah. Y'all sitting in green.
Whew, I need something for my shells. Hey. And they crab legs be big. Boom. I'm trying to make this drip in my wine.
Okay, so boom. After I seen that, I was like, oh no, you pooped everywhere. And I'm looking down at my legs, and it's poop everywhere. So I called my mama, and I was telling her about how he pooped everywhere, all over me. And it's all over my hands, and all over my legs, and all over the couch, and everywhere. Like, it was all on, it was everywhere. And he was just playing in it. That's nasty. And I had to put him in the sink to wash him off.
And that's her story time. And I was going to get the food. Okay. Oh, now I still don't know what. Alright, that's you for right now. Because I got time doing it.
I get a sauce.
Yeah, go ahead. I did. I only did one, but they gave two. What, bye-bye? You can't eat this.
I'm like, oh,
He want this.
he don't deserve this. I get pooped all over him.
So this is medium. No, this is mild. This is medium. Oh, it's spicy.
Stacy gonna be mad when she see I got some seafood.
Oh, Brianna too. She said she didn't want that seafood. I'm sorry, girl. He's so cute. He's so cute.
He's so cute.
Baby, we should have some broccoli.
Yeah, look at this. I call this right here a golden.
Y'all see the golden.
Oh my ear.
You got the one. That's what I get.
Yeah.
You got the, it's a spice. You got the one soup that I ain't going. Wow.
Another golden purr. Hold on. It's not gonna be a golden one once I take it out. Go add a Larry to my cart.
What cart?
Your Amazon cart.
Mm-mm.
They only like $90.
Mm-mm. What's your phone? My phone.
Mine.
Oh. I'm gonna try to text me.
That shit texted me. They gonna be like, we see you eyeing our stuff.
But you too broke to buy.
That is favorite sister, Tisa's favorite sister.
What she want?
I don't know, I ain't open it.
Hey, bye-bye.
I don't even know what that is.
You don't look that big. You got to scratch me in my eye with it. My eyeball. This potato's big. I don't like it. I don't like the little one. What's wrong with you, bud? What is wrong with him?
Okay, so now let me tell you about my dream. So I'm at Jacayla's house, right? But it wasn't her house. It was like a different house. And I don't know what her house looked like though, because I was in her room. But her room wasn't the same like as her room now. It was like she had a black queen size bed, I think. I don't know what size, but it was a big old bed. And it was black. And she had like black comforter set and the bed was black. And then it was like a little black stand with the TV, and she was watching TV, right? And I was gonna lay on her bed on my phone. When I looked up, it was Draco on the TV, but it wasn't the normal one. It wasn't the normal time filter. It was the one with the perm, with the color hair. And I kept on making her rewind it and rewatch it. But she had an old timey TV. It wasn't no new Samsung TV. It was a box TV.
You good, girl?
Get beat up.
I'm trying to fight.
You don't know nothing about me.
Remember that one fight you had and that girl dragged you?
What are you talking about?
Yeah. They was like, oh, this gonna get good.
You thought I was gonna go along with you? Like,
no. Because who's just gonna say, yeah, she dragged me. She drugged me all day down the street. Go along with me.
No thank you.
We're gonna make up the story as we go.
Like Maya. Trying to get some viewers. Yeah, Maya. Come about you.
We're gonna make up the story as we go. Ooh. Ooh. Look like I ain't gonna never go to no nail shop.
I'ma go.
Tomorrow is when you do.
Harry Potter has caught the golden snitch. Why was Lee not in a lot of movies? He was only had that one little part. Lee, Fred, and George could have had their own show. I'm saying.
Yeah, who was Lee?
Thomas.
They don't know who Lee is.
Lee Thomas.
I tell y'all, we'll be eating this for like a couple of minutes. JJ,
He'll come back and
he be eating the same little pieces for hours. Well, what, bye-bye? I think I want to put this here. Whew.
let's go to home.
We at home.
Let's go to at home.
I was gonna go because I thought some people were gonna call me by my car.
I don't know. I'll tell you tomorrow. I should put my baby in the camera in the back. I don't know how to be up in this thing. He don't deserve to be in here after what he did. And I can never forgive him for that.
Oh, you're so cute.
And he just started screaming.
Yeah. Okay. Look at that. Look at that.
Shrimp is nasty. Is that a shrimp?
That's good. Retard.
How you gonna call me a retard when I said is it?
Girl. Whatever. So y'all, I'm on the search for a white couch. I don't want it if it ain't white. I'm gonna be too mad if I don't find a white couch. I'm gonna be too mad. What's a whole nother vlog?
What's up, Tristan? Tomorrow. I'm going to Goodwill tomorrow, y'all.
I don't even know what Goodwill look like.
So that means I can't go?
Are you finna get out there?
Yeah, that's what bad babies do. You gonna let me have this?
She don't even eat that. She don't even eat that, guys. You eat it.
No.
Hey, baby. What you doing? Boy.
Y'all like my new scrunchie? It was $500 at the Gucci store. And I bought it myself.
Big ball out here in these streets.
I'm gonna go to Mexico. Cause I'm tired of being here. What Tony return?
That's the baby. What's that got to do with anything?
She told me she was gonna take me to Disneyland when she retired.
I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Boy, what you doing? She got a nice little pal over there, so I know she's gonna tap out soon. And she'll go over here and get my baby for me.
No, I won't. I'm gonna strike. You know what? I'm gonna keep eating. I just know that's too good.
I feel like I'm gonna move out of this.
Oh, sorry. But
Good girl.
to be fair, you did just text.
And I never did it up. When I get done with this, I'm gonna do my dang.
Your flower?
My DIY.
I'm gonna do my hair. Well, you can do that.
I'm not gonna do anything.
I'm gonna trick
But
you.
what I just said I was gonna do.
I'm gonna put it in a ponytail. You gonna braid it.
I'm not gonna do anything. But what I said. Oh,
Cause you a bully.
I'm a boss. You see Mickey Mouse? My back hurts.
Thanks, Pat.
What you doing?
Nothing. Always accusing me of something.
My teeth barely work, man. Oh! No.
And what you think that is?
What? What?
Nothing.
I gotta break this up. My teeth barely work now. And this thing is just...
You didn't even invite Kiani.
Oh, yeah. It's all good.
I don't even think she eats seafood. I don't. Seafood is nasty sometimes.
Well.
Look at this. Ew.
And King probably got a lot of that on there.
Hey! Why are the sauce on this side?
OMG. Oh my gosh. She is a hot mess, y'all. He actually being good. I'll tell you right now. These types out of there.
I'm not tapping out. I'm not getting that boy.
So she gonna stuff herself, pass out. After she don't want to get my baby, but he been good.
He pooped on me.
He been good anyway.
You don't care that he pooped on me?
No. What you want me to do? Whoop him?
Oh, yes! Say that I was gonna say no.
Sleep. What, bye-bye? I hate them little bitty crawfish like that. Look at that little baby. How could they kill that little innocent baby? You don't care. Because you're a murderer. I remember I let her drive one day. What? She ran over a squirrel.
Y'all. She said that she saying that 'cause she went over school and the squirrel said like it broke in half, like the bones. Blood all over the medicine and everything. It was crazy. She didn't care. She didn't care after she ran it over. This was back in 2019. No, this was back in 2020.
Well, you don't know.
You don't know nothing. It was back in, I don't know, whatever. Who cares? Who asked? It was in 2020. I know that.
Baby, we're gonna have to close this out. It's coming up on a lot of time.
We only got 4 more months of school, and guess what I learned this year?
Nothing.
But who did learn something? What do we that? I'm gonna have to, before the STAR test, I'm gonna have to go look it all up on YouTube, how to do it.
I remember when I used to work at Walmart.
She worked at Walmart, y'all.
And, I mean, I wasn't a cashier or nothing. I was a cake decorator because I'm that good. Anyway. But, that test you gotta do to get hired, answers on YouTube.
What kind of questions they gonna ask?
Stupid questions.
Like where you live?
No, what would you do if this happened, or
What if you do if a customer try to fight you?
or what would you do if you see somebody stealing, or what would you do if stupid stuff. Stupid stuff. I ain't gonna do nothing.
If I saw somebody stealing, I'd be like,
Good luck getting out the door. Nothing.
I'd be like, I want some nips. If you steal me these Reese's, meet me outside.
Not Reese's.
I don't like Reese's.
But they gotta steal you that little bitty thing just to get away. So you accessory for a Reese's.
Sure.
She crazy, y'all. But y'all, my baby said we got to wrap this up. He said,
Go make me some cookies.
What time is it?
5 o'clock. On the dot, I'm in my crock pot. I don't know the words.
Who did that? Really? Okay, y'all. We about to go.
Now there's gonna be sauce all over my drink because of you.
Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification. It's so dirty. And hit that notification bell.
Actually, if you go somewhere again, invite me.
So you can be notified every time we eat.
You too, Rachel.
And them. Bye.